Let's bust a myth. Investing isn't just for the rich, or for people who already have a mountain of cash sitting in the bank. It's not reserved for finance pros in suits, or people with fancy degrees and insider knowledge. You don't need thousands of dollars, a diploma from a top university, or some secret password to get started. Just a smartphone, a dollar, and a willingness to learn. Thanks to technology, investing is now open to everyone, everywhere, no matter your background or experience. Think of investing like cooking. Anyone can follow a recipe, and all you need are the right ingredients and a little bit of patience. You don't have to be a chef to make a great meal, and you don't have to be a financial expert to start investing. It's a skill anyone can learn, no matter your income, age, or where you're starting from. There are tons of free resources, apps, and communities ready to help you take your first steps. Investing is about being smart with your money and building a future where your money works for you, not the other way around. It's about making choices today that your future self will thank you for. Remember, it's not about getting rich overnight, but about creating long-term security, confidence, and empowerment for yourself and your loved ones. The only thing you truly need to become an investor is the decision to start, no matter how small. Even tiny contributions add up over time, and every dollar you invest is a step toward your goals. We'll walk through this together, step by step, so you never have to feel lost or alone. Today you're joining a community of new investors. Your entry fee is whatever you can afford. Let's get started and build your future together. Why start now? Even if you only have a few bucks to spare, it might seem like such a small amount can't possibly make a difference. But the truth is, every journey begins with a single step. The most important thing is to get started, no matter how little you have. Because time is your secret weapon. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to work for you. Even small investments can grow surprisingly large when given enough time to compound. Inflation quietly eats away at your savings, making your money worth less each year. But when you invest, your money has the chance to grow faster than rising prices, helping you stay ahead. The real magic is compound interest. Your money earns money, and then that new money earns even more. Over time, this snowball effect can turn small, regular contributions into a substantial sum. Starting early, even with small amounts, gives your investments time to snowball. Like a tiny seed that grows into a mighty tree, your early efforts can lead to big results. Imagine two friends. One starts with just $50 a month at age 25, while the other waits until 40 and puts in $200 a month. Even though the second friend invests more each month, the first friend's head start gives them a huge advantage. The early starter almost always wins thanks to the power of compounding over time. It's not about how much you invest, but how long your money has to grow. The amount matters less than when you start. Consistency and time are your best friends when it comes to building wealth. Building the habit now gives you a huge advantage. Small, regular actions add up, and over the years they can transform your financial future. Every dollar invested today is a seed for your future. The sooner you plant it, the more time it has to grow and multiply. Waiting for the perfect time is a costly mistake. The longer you wait, the more opportunities you miss, and the harder it becomes to catch up. The best time to start is right now. Don't let fear or uncertainty hold you back. Take that first step, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you for the choices you make today. The earlier you begin, the more freedom and security you'll enjoy down the road. Don't wait. Get in the game today, and let your money start working for you. The sooner you begin, the bigger your rewards will be. Ready to invest, but only have a few dollars? No problem. Modern investing apps and fractional shares are your ticket in. You can now buy a piece of a stock, even if you can't afford a whole share. With just a few bucks, you can own slices of big companies and build a diverse portfolio. Apps like Robinhood, Fidelity, eToro, Zerodha, and more make it easy to start with almost any amount. Sign up in minutes, connect your bank, and you're set. These platforms are designed for beginners. No jargon, no gatekeepers. Just tap your phone and invest. Fractional shares mean no amount is too small. Your spare change can now work for you. This is the new reality of investing. Now, what should you invest in? With so many options out there, it can feel overwhelming to know where to start. But the good news is, you don't need to be an expert or have a lot of money to begin investing wisely. Keep it simple and safe. The best strategies are often the easiest to understand and stick with over time. You want your money to work for you, not stress you out. For beginners, exchange-traded funds or ETFs are a great choice. They're easy to buy and sell, and you don't need to pick individual stocks or try to time the market. ETFs are baskets of many stocks, giving you instant diversification. This means your money is spread across lots of companies, so you're not putting all your eggs in one basket. For example, an S&P 500 ETF lets you own a piece of 500 top companies at once. It's like owning a tiny slice of the biggest names in business, from tech giants to consumer brands. This spreads out your risk and grows with the market. Over time, the stock market has historically increased in value, so you benefit from that long-term growth. Dividend stocks are another option. These pay you a share of company profits, which you can reinvest. This can help your money grow even faster through the power of compounding. Real estate crowdfunding platforms let you invest in property with little money. You can own a piece of real estate without buying an entire house, making it accessible for almost anyone. Curious about crypto? Be cautious. Only use a tiny portion of your portfolio. Crypto can be exciting, but it's risky and unpredictable, so treat it more like a side bet, not your main plan. Focus on proven, diversified options like ETFs to build your foundation. These are the building blocks of a strong, reliable investment plan. Don't chase hot tips or try to pick winners. It's tempting, but most people lose money trying to outsmart the market. Stick to what works and keep it simple. Consistency and patience are your best friends when it comes to investing. That's how you build wealth steadily, by making smart, simple choices and letting your money grow over time. Let's avoid rookie mistakes. First, don't treat investing like a lottery ticket. Chasing hype is gambling, not investing. Always do a bit of research before you buy anything. If you don't understand it, don't invest in it. Broad market ETFs are the safest starting point. Don't panic sell when the market dips. Ride out the waves for long-term gains. Only invest money you can afford to leave alone. Keep your emergency funds separate from your investments. Start small and increase your contributions as you grow. Avoid chasing trends, panic selling, and risking money you need for essentials. These simple rules will keep you on track. Play the long game, and you'll be ahead. Consistency is key, even when money's tight. Set up Auto Invest to move a small amount from your bank to your investment account every month. Pay yourself first, before you have a chance to spend it. Even $5 a week adds up over time. This strategy, called dollar cost averaging, smooths out your investment price and removes guesswork. Reinvest your dividends automatically. Let your earnings grow more earnings. Most apps offer dividend reinvestment plans, DRIP, to do this for you. Track your progress monthly, not daily. Watching your balance grow even slowly is great motivation. Use apps to see all your accounts in one place. Small, steady steps build real wealth. Stick with it. Your future self will thank you. We've shattered the myth that investing is only for the rich or privileged. You've learned the power of starting early, using modern tools, and keeping it simple and stress-free. The basics are clear. Spend less than you earn, save for emergencies, and invest the rest for your future. Consistency beats perfection every single time, no matter what. Every dollar you invest is a vote for your future self and your dreams. Don't let fear or not enough ever hold you back from starting. Start with what you have, no matter how small, today. Download an app, set up Auto Invest, and take that first step forward. You don't need to be perfect. Just get started and keep going. Your journey to financial freedom truly begins right now. Your future is calling. Answer it with confidence. You've got this.